Hello, good morning to all of you, my dear students. Once again, I am present here with my third video of class 8 subject science. Lesson first, sources of food. Here I am going to solve your understanding the text in which I want to solve your question number C. Here short type questions. Here there are so many questions, but I am going to suggest to you that giving the idea in what manner you have to solve all these questions. If you will face any difficulties, then write the comment in the prescribed box. After then I try to solve more and more questions if you face more difficulties. Now here I am going to start to give the solutions of your some important questions, like question number first. As you seen before going to solve the question, one things I want to say to you: if you preferred my video, then please like and subscribe it to others, so that you more and more students can get benefited from this videos. Now let's start the video. Here I am going to solve some important questions of your subject science. The first question is give one importance of plowing. You have to tell the importance of plowing, how plowing is useful for agricultural practice. So here I have written that plowing uproots undesirable plants, means weeds and desirable plants grown in the field is very harmful for your crops. So the first benefit of plowing is that it uprooted the undesirable plants and loses soil. It loses the soil that is useful for the agricultural practice. So now look at the second questions. Here second question is, what is a sand drill? Seed drill. What is a seed drill? Seed drill is a agricultural implements. Implements are those instruments that is used in agricultural practice. So seed drill is also a type of instruments or implements. Seed drill is an agricultural implements used to deposit the seeds into the soil. It has a long hollow tubes fitted in the farm. And now question number 3. What are the manures and fertilizers? Manures and fertilizers, very important questions it is. Here manures are natural fertilizers. One thing you have to in mind, you have to keep it in mind that manure is a natural fertilizers and or decayed organic materials. Manure is a decayed organic materials, and fertilizers are substance having one or more nutrients that provides to the crops by chemical. It is a chemical substance. It is called as fertilizers. So try to remember. And question number 4. How is humus formed? Very important things. How is humus forms? And humus is formed by the decaying of leaves and manures, and it is the top layer of the soil, the most fertile layer, and it is formed most fertile layer of most fertile most fertile top layer formed by adding manures. Humus is formed in the soil by adding manures. So understood these things. Now question number 5, what are noodles? How are they helpful? This is a big questions. Noodles, everybody know about it, but somebody tell to us that it is a root noodles. But my question is, here it is asked that what is noodles. So noodle is a growth of abnormal tissues in the root of legumes. Legumes is leguminous plants. Okay, so growth of abnormal tissues in the roots of legumes. In the root of legumes, it is also grown in our skin. That is called as tumor. Just like tumor in plant, there is noodles. So please try to understand. I hope you have more understanding parts in your minds, and that's why I hope you understand in better way. Now number 6, list the steps involved in nitrogen cycle. Steps in nitrogen cycle, there are 5 steps you have to remember. First is nitrogen fixation, second is nitrogen assimilation, third is ammonification, fourth is nitrification, and fifth is denitrification. These are the 5 steps in nitrogen cycles that is helpful in agricultural practice. And question number 7, what enables leguminous plants to fix nitrogen? What enables the nitrogenous leguminous plants to fix nitrogen? Its correct answer will be nitrogen fixing bacteria. It's all about this video. In next video I will help you with more questions. Till that I want to say you thank you. See you again.